Hey everybody, and welcome to our special Friday video. This is the video that everyone's been talking about online and in person amongst your friends. This is the major giveaway. That's right, we're giving away another taillight kit. We're the only parts place that has ever given away complete taillight kits in the history of giving away free stuff.
In recorded history.
Recorded history. Yeah. I mean, you could probably dig up a book. I don't think you can. I think we are definitely the only dealership that has ever given away taillight kits in the amount or ever that we give them away. So stay tuned. We're gonna announce the winner real soon at the end of this hour and 45 minute long video.
All right, guys. So a lot of people have been hitting us up. I mean, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even on Twitter. We don't even use Twitter, but they've been hitting us up on Twitter. Mm-hmm. Why does everybody hate my R33?
Why?
Why does Nissan hate my R33? There's no parts.
I don't know.
And the funny thing is we actually have a decent amount of parts for the R33. But we got a few here. Tom had ordered these in. I think a customer had ordered these and he brought them to me. Front GT-R emblem. Mm-hmm. You guys know how we feel about emblems. We love them.
Emblems, badges. They're great.
They are, especially when it says GT-R.
Right. Oh, and I've got a GT-R sticker for you, by the way.
Oh, man. All right. So let's move along here. You got me distracted. See, that's how much you like them.
I threw you off.
So trunk GT-R badge, and then the fender GT badge, which we've shown that one several times, but it's worth showing again.
Why not?
Now, what do you have here?
What I have here are some timing covers for R34s, RB20s.
All of them, R32, 33, and 34.
Wow. And they are available in metal and plastic, so when you're going to order one of these, make sure you give it a little flick to see which one you need.
Yeah, so the plastic one is actually only cataloged for the R34 RB25 Neo, but we've heard some rumors that you can interchange these if you'd like to, put the metal one on that motor. Get in the comments, let us know if that's a fact or not. It's kind of hard to compare them right here without a motor, but remember, your comment enters you into our weekly giveaway. So if you comment, we pick you next week, you might win the flag, game and mouse pad, t-shirt, hat, hoodie. It's getting cold time. Hoodie, Nissan Parts hoodie.
Nice.
But one of the things about the R33, I went down a rabbit hole because I was curious about production numbers on the Skylines. The R32, for example, Nissan produced 313,000. I'm going to give rounded numbers here. 313,000, and then the R32 GT-R, they produced 43 or 44,000. R33, Nissan only produced 180,000, and then the GT-R's 16,000. And then R34, 67,000, the GT-R 12,000. So,
did you guys catch all that?
It's a lot of numbers, wasn't it?
It is a lot of numbers, but it's good. It's good information.
So I thought it was interesting how they cut production throughout the years, but obviously R34 parts are more readily available because it's a newer vehicle.
Right.
I think R32, the prevalence of parts is because of the number of vehicles produced. And then I think 33 just kind of gets lumped right there in the middle. Yeah. And I kind of liken the R33s to the S14 Zinkies, where I think it's a cool car. I like the way it looks, but I think a lot of people don't. A lot of people don't like, the headlights and the front ends and things like that. So, I'm interested to know, what do you guys think about the R33? What do you think about the R33?
I like it.
Yeah, right. You got a quiz?
I do.
Of sorts. 10% off coupon code, guys.
Coming up. All right, so this week, September, back in 1994.
Ooh.
All right, this is going to be a good one. What TV show aired for the very first time this week, September 1994? It's a crazy time. I'll give you a clue. It was a sitcom. And if you need more clues, I've got some good quotes from the TV show. So a 1990s sitcom.
Man, I don't know. Yeah, everything I'm thinking of, I feel like it's like too early or like it happened earlier.
I'll give you some clues.
Yes.
Catchphrases, right? Pivot.
No, over my head.
We were on a break.
Over my head again.
I'll give you this one last, because this one you'll get it. I would think. There was a song on the show called Smelly Cat.
Ah, you know what's funny is that I was thinking that that might be it, but I was like, no, there's no way it came out that early. Like it had to come out later in the 90s. Friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, Smelly Cat, you got me, because yeah, Phoebe's
cat,
awesome.
Smelly Cat.
I don't recognize the other two though for back to Friends. But
This was the dead giveaway. How you doing? Right?
Yeah, Joey. So how many of you guys watch Friends? You seen them all?
No,
No.
I didn't get into it. I got into it late and then saw some good episodes.
Yeah.
And it's a pretty funny show.
All right. So the reason why most of you guys are here,
Ooh, yeah, almost forgot.
Tail Light giveaway, and we've got 2 $100 store credits. So Tom, why don't you announce the winners and explain to them the order you're going to announce them in, so nobody gets too excited about their name.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to announce the winner of the grand prize last.
All
right. So first up, first winner of the $100 store credit, All Season Racing. Congratulations. Good job. All right. Second winner of a $100 store credit, Drake Chandler. Speaking of friends.
Yes.
Chandler Bing.
Yes.
And then finally, the grand prize winner of the taillight giveaway is Luke Stair. Wow. Good job.
Yeah.
So reach out to us. We're going to verify that you are legit, and we'll get your info, and we will send you a taillight kit.
Yeah. If you got the $100 store credit, reach out to us.
Same thing.
Let us know what you want. We'll get you hooked up. Thank you for everybody who participated. The winners were chosen randomly through a comment picker online. You guys left some very nice comments on the video. I don't know if you guys are sucking up to us or if you're honest, but either way,
Probably a little bit of both.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Positive feedback is always awesome for us. We put in a lot of time doing these videos, and sometimes it's hard to get in here and do them.
But we do, and we enjoy it.
Yeah, we love it.
It's a little break from what we normally do, and it's good hearing all the comments.
And if you're wondering, because I know the elephant in the room is all the white shirts and the flag, we didn't do this on purpose. This was a total accident.
So there you go.
In case you're wondering.
And if you haven't already, check out our Wednesday video that features trucks, SUVs, 4x4s.
Yes. And yeah, I feel like we live here now.
We should just do a video a day. Let's do that.
That's a lot. But anyway, thank you guys for checking out the channel. Be sure to comment on the video. Let us know what you think. Tell what was his name? Tell Luke.
Congrats.
And that'll get you entered into next week's giveaway for some Nissan parts merch.
Yeah. And the discount code for 10% off, friends.
Probably guess that. I mean, you did what I do, and you forget to mention what the code actually is.
Well,
I'll put it on the screen for you guys back there. All right. Take care.
Have a good weekend. See you next week.